Hola! Hey guys, this is Jalissa. I'm back and today we're gonna do a DIY at-home colored eyelashes. So I've been seeing this going around and I've seen different ways to do it. I'm gonna show you the best way I personally found to be able to get the color to be as vibrant that you want when you want like a blue or red or pink lash, you know? So stay with me. Stay with me. I'm gonna bring you in close. We're gonna do an example. I'm gonna do a blue lash, a pink lash, so you can see how it looks and you can see the vibrancy of everything. Come. Alright, so I already cleaned the table. Table's clean because we're putting this shit on our eyes, so we want a nice clean table. So I'm gonna start off with the Demi Wispies from Ardell. They look like this. Let me see. Can you see? Okay, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna start off by using a brush. Just use any brush. I have paintbrushes, so I just use this paintbrush. Looks like this. It's not. I just washed it, so it's a little stained, but it's good. Alright, so I'm gonna take this. This is called Melcolly. It's a face paint that I bought on Amazon. I really like it. It does transfer if you don't set it. So I'm gonna show you like what I mean by that. I'm gonna take this and we're gonna paint them. Alright, so first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna like lift them down, put them down. I'm gonna put it on the table because I already cleaned the table, so I'm gonna paint over the table. So I'm just gonna paint on top of them. I would recommend doing this with like a paintbrush because the paintbrush, you just have more control, as if you were gonna just do this and like use a Q-tip to make it like faster. It would be better if you use a paintbrush or like just any brush, like a makeup brush. That would work too. Now I'm gonna flip it. It is gonna be like a little, like, you know, there's paint on it, so it's gonna get a little sticky, but it's gonna be okay. Take a Wet n Wild brush, just like whatever brush that you don't really care for to do this with, because I don't know, maybe you just don't want to do it with your brushes you use all the time. So just take some powder and just powder them lightly, not too much. Just get them a little powdery. I personally will just powder a little bit, stick them back. Don't powder like completely, like don't do that, because what we're gonna do is we're gonna powder it again, but we're gonna powder it with the color we want, so we're gonna stamp it. So this is like the part where I didn't understand how to do it, in a sense, because like I was trying different techniques. So when I came to figure it out, alright, so next step is we are going to powder them to the color that we want. So I want blue lashes. Give me blue lashes. I'm gonna take Jawbreaker. And I'm gonna take this color Soaked. So I'm gonna use this. You can get these at the dollar store, anywhere, Walmart, anywhere. These like $1, cheap. Look like this. Spongies. take your sponge. It's dry because this is still, it's powdered, but it's lightly powdered, so it still has a little tackiness to it. So we're just gonna take this, and we're gonna stamp it. We're not gonna dust it because dusting it isn't gonna do shit. Sorry for the language, but we're not gonna dust it. We're gonna pat it. So pat it into the lash. And the face paint does not make the lashes hard. That's what you guys probably assume, because I'm like working on them like so much, but it still feels the same exact way. That's why I like the way with the I like this method with the powder, because you're still getting that feathery feel with the lashes. So I'm patting. Alright, now that I pat, I'm gonna just flip it over. You see how the other side is like a little like not powdered. It's a little messy right now, but take a little brush like this and just comb through them, just so it can have like, you know, like be like nice and combed through, like before I put them on. I would let them sit if you want, but if you want to put them on right after, you can, because they're already dry. Like these are completely dry. These are completely dry. These are completely dry. So if you want to do anything with them, you can. They look like this. I'm gonna show you a pink one now, just so you guys can see like the difference, because I know maybe the blue is a little not vibrant in the lighting, but I'm gonna put them on so to show you how they look on. So there you have it. I'm gonna try on the pink pair because I actually really like how they came out. Look at that. Look how vibrant that looks. This is the blue one. If I can get them to stick, but this is the blue one. Blue, pink. I'm trying to get it not to fall. Alright, let me put these on my eyes so you guys can see how these come out. I have a little bit of like black mascara, so I'm just gonna show you how I do it. If the black mascara is too, like, I guess, black, then I will we'll see when that comes. Usually once you do this, don't like do your makeup if you do your makeup last, but don't put like mascara on, because if you're putting on black mascara, what's the point of the eye? What's the point of the eyes? Is that a cat? I'm showing you how to put colored lashes, but you know, I'm not a pro at lashes, so we're still learning things here. I'll show you how to make them. Remember that. So don't judge my lash application. Usually, if I knew, I would have put like maybe a pink eyeliner. I feel like a pink eyeliner would look nice with it. Since this looks like a fucking ombre effect, but it actually looks pretty cool, right? Look at that. Let me see. Can I do that? No, that's pink. Okay. I like how it came out. The pink. I like the pink. I think I like the pink more than the blue. I mean, the blue, don't get me wrong, is still pretty fucking vibrant. Let me like hold it up to the light, maybe. Maybe that will show you. Look. Beep. You're welcome. Alright, let me add this one in. Lash number 2. Pray for me. Myself. You know what? I'm actually digging this like black and pink ombre thing. Okay. Alright, so here are the lashes. Let me see. This one's a little wonky, but we're not judging my lash application. We're judging the eyelash. Okay? Alright, there you have it. These are how to do colored lashes at home, DIY. This, oh my god. I actually really like how this pink came out. I really didn't expect the pink to come out good like this, because like the blue, I feel like blue flatters mostly everybody, and pink, but I didn't know about the pink lashes, but I'm pretty freaking sold right now. I think it looks good. What do you guys think? Can you please let me know? Let me know if you try this hack, or it's not even a hack. Let me know if you try this formula that I figured out to get the lashes to be vibrant, and they're still very soft, if you guys want to know that. Like, for the most part, like, for the part, they're soft as fuck. Ah, I cursed. For the most part, they're like super soft, and They look good. If you want to do it like this, I feel like you could. Like, I actually kind of like it. The black, I don't really have that big of lashes, so the black mascara of my lashes doesn't look as prominent because I have little lashes. So this just makes them kind of look a little ombre with my black line. But I don't mind it at all. I actually really like it. So this is the pink pair. So this is the blue pair. I wanted to put them on so you guys can see both pairs of lashes. I'm kind of digging the blue pair now more. I don't know, it was pretty sold, and then I put these bad boys on. So yeah, this is how to make colored lashes at home, DIY style. If you don't have this, I feel like you don't need this, but like this is good to have like in your kit if you want to do anything like face paint or just like mix colors around. So this is good to have, so I really do recommend this if you want to go out and get this. But you can also use like a cream, like a white cream base, because I only use this color. But overall, it came out pretty good. You see the vibrancy? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys like my video. And yeah, so subscribe, like, try it. Please try it because you're gonna thank me, because I know you've been wanting a blue lash and sometimes it doesn't work out. And this way you can just take it and whoop, pop it on, and you got some lashes.